Hi, I'm Dr. Cook, principal at Lakeside Middle School in Millville, New Jersey, and I'm here to share with you how we use our Mindfulness Walk and our Mindfulness Initiative in the classrooms and online to stay grounded, especially during these challenging times. As you can see, we have a new Mindfulness Walk here that allows staff and students the opportunity to take a breath, to focus, to get grounded. And we utilize this space in order for us to take some time to unwind and then get refocused. There's a lot of studies that talk about the benefits of mindfulness. And by integrating this into the school day, we feel that our students will be more focused, less anxious, and have the ability to connect with each other and their staff members. When you visit our Mindfulness Walk, you can either sit down or utilize the space to take some time to walk and get grounded. And this is just the beginning. As we go through the process, we'll be adding different activities for students to do and for staff, as well as benches and other areas for reflection. We look forward to our mindfulness walk and garden to develop over the years with student input, staff input, and community resources. We're very grateful to have this space, and we look forward to seeing you out here.